Have you ever wondered why some games out there are getting crazy number of favorites and visits? Let's take for example this game right here. Every second you get +1 walk speed. And look at the stats. They have more than 2 million favorites and a crazy number of visits. Today I'm going to show you one thing they're doing in their game that you should be doing the same thing in all of your games. So let's take for example my game right here, and I have people coming in to play my game. So they're playing it, they're enjoying it. Right, so, and all of a sudden you see something popped up. It asks them, do you want to add this game to favorites? So the player, if they like the game, they're going to click yes, and now you have one more favorite added to your game. So this is a way of reminding people to add your game to favorites. Let's now go to Studio, and I'm going to show you how to script this. It's very easy. So now just go ahead and open up your game inside Roblox Studio. You can choose any game and go to the starter player scripts. We're going to add a local script. Inside your local script, just enter the following lines. Basically, we're just going to use the prompt set favorite API from the avatar editor service. Here we have 3 different parameters. The first one is your place ID. So we're going to go to view, click on asset manager, double click on places, and you're going to right click on your place and copy ID to clipboard. Coming back to your script, you're going to paste in that ID here. This is your place ID. We can close this window now. The second parameter is your avatar item type, and the type we're using is asset. The third parameter is a Boolean variable, and you want to put true there if you want people to favorite your game. If you put false there, people are gonna unfavorite your game. And basically we're waiting for 20 seconds before we display the prompt to the player. Let's now publish this game to Roblox, and we're gonna play test and take a look. So here it is. This is our test game right here, and you can see it has 0 favorite right now. So we're gonna press play and take a look. And here it is. We are inside the game. So we're gonna play the game for 20 seconds just to make sure that the player likes it. And then we're gonna prompt the player to add this game to favorite. And there is the prompt. Do you want to add this game to favorites? I'm gonna click on yes, and then I can keep on playing the game. When I'm done, I'm just gonna close the game. And when you come back to this screen here, just do a refresh on the game. And there it is. You can see this game has been added to favorite by the player. So guys, this is how you prompt the player to add your game to their favorite list. Everyone, hope you have enjoyed this video and find it to be helpful. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in our next tutorial. Take care, everyone.